Feeling stuck in life? This one Quranic verse is your way out.
وَمَن يَتَّقِ اللَّهَ يَجْعَل لَّهُ مَخْرَجًا.
And whoever fears Allah, He will make for him a way out. Sometimes we reach a point where everything feels blocked, no money, no hope, no clear path. But Allah gives us a secret key in this verse. Taqwa, God consciousness. He says, whoever fears Allah, He will make for them a way out. Not, maybe, He will. When you choose halal over haram, when you hold your tongue, lower your gaze, and obey even when it's hard, that's taqwa. And for every moment you do it, Allah promises to open a door you didn't even know existed. You don't have to see the exit. You just have to trust the one who creates it. Comment, I trust Allah's way out, if you're relying on Him. Share this with someone feeling trapped in any situation. Follow for more Quranic solutions for modern struggles.